Hi there, my name's Edgar. Once a client has booked a treatment, you may wish to retail related stock to them upon their billing. This can be set up as an automated process within Salon by Premier software. Today, I'll be showing you precisely how, so let's cut right to the details. First, log into Salon through Manager if you're a single-site business or Administrator if you are multi-site. Next, head to Appointments and then on the top row, click Appointment Codes. This will be where you can set up new appointments. If you have yet to do this or wish to allocate retail to an appointment not yet created, click the green plus and follow the details in our Appointment Codes video. Otherwise, highlight the applicable appointment at the bottom of the screen, such as Hair Appointment, then click the Site Details tab. Here in the middle of the page, you will see a further list of tabs. Click Retail Allocation all the way to the right. This will be where you set up the retail items. On the left under Retail Allocation, use the Manufacturer drop-down menu to locate the manufacturer of the item. Similarly, you can use the Category drop-down menu to find the category of the item, such as hair colors. Click Update to refresh the list of items. Next, click to highlight one of the stock items and then click the single right arrow to allocate it to those who book this treatment. You may alternatively click the double right arrows to allocate all the filtered items to this treatment. Once you've allocated all the retail you wish, click the back arrow to exit and save any changes. Once set up, these will show on the billing screen in reception. When a client is ready to depart and make their payment following a booking, head to the Clients tab and click Departures. Depart a client as normal, then on the billing screen, click Recommended/Waiting Stock. At the top, you will see any items you have allocated to the client specifically, whereas at the bottom, you will see the new retail setup from Appointment Recommendations. Should the client like this item based on their booking, click to highlight this and click the green plus. Click the back arrow once done and the item will be saved to the list of items for payment. Make sure you have read any till messages, then click the green tick. Next, select the method of payment and click the green tick once more to process the final payment. Now you know how to set up recommended retail based on a booked appointment. For other how-tos, tips and tricks, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly how-to videos. We also have several social media channels for you to follow for regular content at Premier Software. In the meantime, check out our other videos and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.